Hello, everybody. You can call me Space. This is the Thunder. Just a tech demo I made for get some investment to finish the product. The product is work in progress, and I start to create that when 1995, and still working on the product, but just creating the character, the ideas. Uh, anyway, I'm doing my job. I'm a creator. I'm an artist. Just that. I start to learn in 2004, 2003, sorry, 2003, 3D and how to make characters and how to use 3D. And after that, 2007, I was studying one university called Jeová, and I learned how to model low poly products with Pedro Toledo. So I I start to model my character and study how to do that. And I did that after years in Blender. This model was made on Blender. The paintings was made on Photoshop. The texture for the lighting. And it's very old, but in this particular time, I'm studying so much for do this job, and it's start to looks like that. Has right now nothing to do right now. Only walk and see what I did. Will be enemy on there, soldiers, and you have companions. I'm using in vector in Unity. Oh, sorry about that. Let's back in and don't lose the focus. So these architectural ideas is coming from my mind. I'm studying a lot of time for do that, and I'm doing that for a long time. I s- I love architectural, and intra-terrain solutions for people have a different type of constructions and way of life. And this game is about science and love, peace, and security for all. Infinite life because has something I'm going to show it to you called Omega Project. It's a medicine I created for the story, for the story of the game, the universe. It's just this is a universe. This is station 1995, and I'm working on this project for a long, long time. You see the stones? They give you the way you have to walk. Here you have the one type of paradise, and inside the buildings, uh, not buildings, enter the hand base. You can no, no better. I don't know how to say. This is the place for the Omega project. And this is Omega project. This game has reflections. You see the reflections on the body of the character. This is a whip. It's a work in progress, but will be better when we finish. When I finish, and this is it. Hope you like it. This is all. See, work in progress. Have a lot to do. This is Omega Project. This game is called The Thunder, lost in the Amazon base. Hey, I try to. Here will be an elevator, so that's never happening. It's just for showing to for you what I did, and this is what it was. Not finished yet. Had a lot to do here. It'll be better than this. And we'll have frame generator just with FSR, and will be a frame generator on there. So peace and security for all. God bless you.